Grojogan Watu Purbo is a multi-level waterfall attraction in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. It was initially constructed in 1975 as a dam to withstand eruptions from Mount Merapi. In 2017, residents noticed water flowing through the structure, forming a waterfall. The local community decided to transform it into an unplanned tourist destination by cleaning up certain areas, adding flower gardens, gazebos, and toilets to enhance the atmosphere.